Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mrs. Home. Today I am going to show you how to prepare chocolate pancakes and also plain pancakes with wheat flour. Let's start the preparation. Here I have taken 1½ cup wheat flour, half cup powdered sugar, 1 spoon baking powder, a pinch of baking soda. Sieve all together. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and also add 3 cups of milk gradually. Make sure the batter has no lumps and it should be in a pouring consistency. To some portion of the batter, I am going to add 2 spoons of cocoa powder. Mix properly and add 2 spoons of milk. Now add 3 spoons of chocolate chips. This is optional. Heat the pan and add spoonful of batter. Here I have not added any butter or oil to it. Just flip it out when the bubble starts. Repeat the same process for the other pancakes also. Now the pancakes are ready to eat. Drizzle the pancakes with honey or maple syrup and with some butter. Now drizzle chocolate pancakes with yummy chocolate syrup and with some chocolate chips. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.